Timu ya mubira wa GONYA athaki 15 mwena makinanio ta Simbas muthenya wa ruciu magakorwo na kibarua kirito kumatha point kuma kuri timu ya Zimbabwe thiini wa Mbitika cia Victoria Cup kimera giki. Mubira uyu uri ugathakwo thaa 10 cia muthenya Nakuru Athletics Club Kenya marathii mari thi na une thutha wa kuguthwo muthunguko-ini wa mbere na point 30 kwa 29 arugamiriri makiuria a Kenya kwiyumiria na njira nene.
In a road to 2023 World Cup. So everybody wants a chance, and this is the time they have. This is their chance. So it's all about those individual players who want to be here for a long period of time.
Nyabara wa Zimbabwe aria matongoretie murugamo wa gikombe giki kia Victoria na point 22 augite gutire timu ona imwe marahuthia ona gutuika ni magathiriirie imwana cia Kenya ni kwambatira muthako-ini uyu na njira nene.
I think we've ever had a situation where it's run away to any side. Last year it ran away in the beginning. At half time we were up 30 odd points, and Zimbabwe came back and you just narrowly beat us. So the competition's always there, and we expect of the highest level from Kenya.
Timu ingi cigakorwo cikinyita itemi thiini wa Mbitika ici ni hamwe na timu ya bururi wa Uganda oro ndumwe na Zambia aria manyitireire namba 3 na namba 4 murugamo-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini njitagwo Kuria wa Gicimu.